Good morning, guys. So today I thought I would take you along with me for my productive day in my life. I haven't done a whole lot of work. You would know if you've seen my reading week in my life. That's totally fine. I definitely needed that mental reset and just to like be able to not do anything if that's what I wanted, and just like do things that make me happy. But now it's time to play catch up a little bit and definitely get back on track for the upcoming week and the next couple of weeks, because there's only a few weeks left of school, so that's really exciting. But yeah, today I'm just going to get a lot of work done, just get back into the right headspace, and yeah, I thought I'd take you guys along. I'm just starting off with doing my makeup. I find that if I do my makeup and go through the motions of getting ready like I normally would, then I just have a better, more productive day, rather than like if I just stay in my sweat. I just feel too relaxed. I don't know if anyone else is like that. Let me know. But I'm also going to be going to my favorite coffee shop, Block 1912. I just find getting out of my place really helps me get work done, and especially if I'm surrounded by other people who are also doing work and being productive, just because I feel like it's so easy for me to procrastinate, lay on my bed if I'm home. And I do just in general like being out more. Home from the post office and I picked up my Amazon package, so I thought I would just show you guys what I got. First off, I got these jelly roll pens in white. I thought they'd be good to have for bullet journaling. So yeah, I'm really excited. I've tried the jelly rolls before and they're really nice, they're really smooth, so I'm pretty excited about this. I also got, it's like a tripod for your phone, and I thought it'd be cool to have just to take some Instagram pictures. I'm just trying to get it open now. Ooh, it comes in like a bag. That's nice. And I think this one comes with a little like Bluetooth remote, so you can take photos that way too. I just need to figure out how to use this. I've never had a tripod before. Yep, lots of parts. Oh, there goes the remote. Just this little guy here. Cool. And then the tripod itself. That's really nice. It came with all these little parts too, which is probably to hold your phone. That makes sense. So yeah, I'm excited to play around with this. You guys, I look so stupid in that clip. That's me thinking that I'm testing out my new tripod with the Bluetooth remote, and I'm thinking that I'm like taking photos of myself and I'm trying to use the burst function, but I was on video, so like it just took a video of me being stupid, so enjoy. I really want to reface my bed. I want to turn it this way so that I have a lot more room like right here. but it's gonna be a little bit of a struggle because the dimensions are gonna fit if I like put it in, if that makes sense. But it's going to be hard to turn my bed because of how big it is and how narrow this is, so like turning it might not happen. But like if I can get it to turn all the way like I want it to and push it against the wall, it will work. But the struggle is gonna be real. But let's see what happens. I should probably sweep too while this is out of the way. This is where I normally run into problems. It was going too smoothly. What happened? Uh-oh. Yes. Oh my gosh, you guys, this might actually work. You guys, I did it. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was too easy. Because when I first moved into this place, me and my friend tried to do this and it did not work. So what happened? But anyway, I'm happy. Yay! Ta-da! That was too easy almost. But like, look at how much more space I have here. And like, this is a little bit blocked off. It's my closet, but it's still completely accessible. Like, I can still get in there, so that's totally fine by me. But like, wow, look at all this space. I was definitely expecting that to take a lot longer, but that was literally like 2 minutes. So I guess now I'll move on to my other stuff that I gotta do. I'm gonna clean up my place because it is a disaster. When is it not a disaster? Only the day that I clean it, and then the next day it's like, did you clean it though, sis? Yeah, I feel like in every vlog I'm always like, oh, I need to clean up my place, it's really messy. But you know, that's just reality. I am a university student. I live by myself. There's no one here to nag me. There's no one here to judge me. But I'm judging myself because it's pretty bad. So here's for another cleaning montage. After this, I tried to go to Block 1912 to get work done like I planned, and then as I was leaving my house, literally like 20 steps out of my door, I trip and fall so hard that I scraped my knee. I broke my toenail somehow. I like scratched up my hand, and I like got mud all over my backpack, all over my jacket, and I just turned my ass around and went back inside because I'm gonna take that as a not today. I just went back inside, changed into pajamas because I was so done with that day now. It completely ruined my day and my mood, which sounds so dramatic, but like prior to this day, I fell trying to come home from school by running after the bus, and I slipped so hard, like my legs just went right out under me, and I fell so hard that I cracked my phone screen because it was in my back pocket. My tailbone was bruised. It still is bruised, but I fixed my phone screen, so now it's all good. The next clips are clips of me trying to refilm this video, but I thought I would just continue it from this one just because why not? So I hope that's okay. I hope it makes sense from now on. This is what I was going to do that day, but it didn't happen because life just knocked me down and I got back up, but I went back inside. So yeah, then my boyfriend came over and we just watched Disney Plus. So I decided to walk to the coffee shop today just because it's really nice out. It hasn't been super nice lately. As you can see, it's pretty sunny. It's only 6 degrees, so I'm only wearing a light jacket. But yeah, I'm gonna be sitting for the majority of the day studying anyway, so it's a good way to get my exercise in. So I just wanted to show you guys the notes that I took today on my iPad for my physiology class. It's pretty thorough, but that's just how I like to take my notes. I know a lot of people would say this is too much writing, but I don't know, it works for me. It's how I learn. But yeah, I just did a couple pages of notes, and that's where I ended up stopping. And I'm about to show you my face, but I do have a face mask on, so be prepared. Here I am. Sorry if I scared you. I didn't want to start off like this because it's kind of scary looking, but I just put on a face mask. I just wanted to prep my skin for the week. I'm still breaking out, which is really unfortunate, but you know, it's around that time of the month, so I think that's why. And that's all that I filmed. I really need to get better at filming intros and outros because I always forget. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video anyways. If you do like this style of video, please let me know in the comments below or give me a thumbs up. That way I know. I would love to start filming some more sit-down videos for you guys. I've done a lot of vlog styles so far. But yeah, please subscribe and be sure to follow me on Instagram as well. I'll leave it linked all down below. See you next time!